And so this is to demonstrate how to use the IELTS prompt, or sorry, IELTS presentation generator software. So first, what we need to do, we need to generate the content of the presentation. And we need a topic. Now let's say daily routine. Daily routines, then we select the complexity. We have three classes basically: beginner, builder, and runner. Let's say beginner. What type of presentation do you want? Do you want like technical approach, like frameworks? Do you want a topic coverage? Do you want a topic review? Yeah. So let's do topic coverage. For how long the presentational part? Let's say 30 minutes. Normal presentational part. Yeah. Vocabulary, if any. Let's not waste our time. We can ask it to suggest additional vocabulary. Structures, examples, number of examples. I'll task, yeah, speaking task, writing task. And I'll do specifically for speaking. You can switch to writing. We can also add general activities, which are basically general SLT activities. Yeah. Ideas for exercises, general questions, sentence templates, essays, tongue twisters, yada, yada, yada. Oh, what else to include? Let's say humorous activities like creating my life. Yeah, very appropriate about me right now. Yeah, posting trash on Facebook. Yeah, Facebook, but talking trash to strangers on the internet. Yeah, on the internet. Yada yada yada. Topics to exclude none. Sections optional. Yeah. Translate to Vietnamese. What does this mean? This means if we want to duplicate each slide, very good, remember this, each slide to Vietnamese. So basically, it will be one English slide, one the same, all in Vietnamese. We don't want it right now. Yeah, it's a very situational option. And the tone, yeah, because it also generates comments, what teacher has to say. Yeah, generate prompt. This is our prompt. Bam, bam, bam. It's huge. So we click copy on this one, copy to keyboard, or clipboard, sorry. And then we go. We go to, let's say, AI Studio, open new chat, and we ask it to generate. Yeah. First of all, it will suggest something. So suggest the general structure, the vocabulary, and stuff like that. And we'll ask for a validation. And we validate if everything goes right, and we agree, and it generates the final version. So there it goes. Lesson plan, grammar structures. Yada, yada, yada. Do you approve the structure? Yes. So this is sort of preview. And there we go. Now it generates the presentation. So I'm going to take a while. I'm going to pause the video to save it. So it is generating the structure, yada, yada, yada. It might take more than one. Okay, well, in English, and laugh. Yeah, so this is complete structure. Now we download it. Where the download button, if it exists. Probably not. Okay, we just copy it as text. Yeah, then I have this file that actually creates the presentation. Yeah, now we need a folder called SRC, of course. Yeah, well, we save it as a text file. We save our presentation as a text file first. The name doesn't matter, just save it. No, no, this is not the right format. We need Markdown. We need Markdown format. So copy as Markdown. Yes, remember this. This is very important. This option, copy as Markdown. Bam. Yeah. So see all this formats and characters. Save. Yeah. Now we go ahead and start this file, and bam, we have our presentation. Let's take a look. It doesn't have any formatting. I mean, any visual elements whatsoever, but it's already good to go. You can see the text, the titles are okay, basically. Yeah. Now the last thing to make it is to do these design suggestions, and bam, 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 to the design of it. Yeah, and the same goes for every slide. So we just click them through and choose the desirable design option, and that's how we do it. Take a shower, yada yada. Just make it readable. It's important to not make it too small. Mhm. Sometimes it's necessary to make the text bigger. Yeah, okay. So you got the idea. That's how I make the presentation. Bam, save, and there we go. So the files, you can download them in the description of the video, along with the folder, basically. But the last thing you need to run this kind of file, you need basically a Python. You need to install Python. Now to install Python, you follow this guide. Yeah, basically you proceed to this website, Python releases, yeah, and go ahead, for example, this one, yeah, and you install it. I have it already installed, so it doesn't look like this, yeah. So you have to check. This is well, this is not important. You can uncheck it. This is required, so you need to have this checked, yeah. File launcher, yeah, this is also required. This is also required. Next, associate files with Python. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, everything else is not important. So keep install. Bam, there we go. Install it. And getting back to guide, you will have to validate the installation when it's done. Give it some time. So finally, it has ended. Now, what we need to do two things to make it happen. We need to see if it's installed correctly, and then install the library that enables Python to create PowerPoint presentations. So we go to the Start menu, look for the CMD, yeah, not this one, CMD command prompt, yeah, and we right-click it and say Run as administrator, yeah, and what is this? Run as administrator, bam, yes, and we type in here Python, that's version, Python hyphen whatever. Python, yes, 3.13.9. That's exactly what we installed. And now we need the command that will install the library. And the command is pip. Remember the model that we said, Python or install Python PPTs, I believe, or something. Yeah, that's right. Bam, satisfied. Yeah. So it's done for me because I have it already installed. Yeah, but for you it will take more time and give a different output. Oh yeah, it wants to update now. Okay, I will do it later. Doesn't matter. So now let's go and check if this whole thing works. Yeah, again, these are Python installables. Bam. Don't need them. Skip. Close. Yeah. Okay, so this is the Python code. Now we just click it as a normal file. We click it. Bam. and it gives us a presentation. Notice that each time it gives a different presentation because what it takes the very first slide name, the very first slide title, and it adds the current date, 2025, 11/20, yeah, with the time, 16/16/35, with the seconds. Why? So that if you fail to create a proper file, the next file will not override the existing one. So you can add modification to the source text, yeah, and create a new file without removing the old one. This is the thing that is important to know. Right, I think this is enough for this installment. It also needs some more testing, but as I feel like hell right now, I will go back to rest, taking rest. And you let me know if you ran into any bugs or something. All right, cheers.